Tough and rugged meet powerfully smooth. The Revo 2.0 Power Scooter is built for all your adventures. Command the path ahead of you. This scooter dominates grass, concrete, rock, and gravel with powerful suspension for a smooth ride. Go from trailblazing to compact storage in a snap. Easy Feather Touch disassembly offers portable convenience. This compact powerhouse delivers. The Revo 2.0 is packed with features like underseat storage, keeping your keys and wallet close at hand. A USB charger keeps your cell phone charged, and LED lighting offers great visibility. Cruise at speeds up to 5 miles per hour. With a 400-pound weight capacity, the Revo 2.0 is tough and durable. It's the perfect choice for your active lifestyle. The Revo 2.0 is the power scooter for you.